So are you also running a drop shipping service business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for your drop shipping service business. So like you, I'm also running the drop shipping business and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for my business. And now, whenever a user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot powered by an AI agent tailored for dropshipping service providers. This chatbot can guide new sellers, recommend trending products, assist with order tracking, and even handle FAQs, all without manual intervention. It's a perfect solution to deliver 24/7 support and boost conversations for your dropshipping clients. So let's dive in and build your intelligent WhatsApp assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. So as you can see that I have already created a WhatsApp chatbot powered by AI for my own dropshipping business. And first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this WhatsApp chatbot. So for that I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and let's say I'm just going to type and say, hey, I need help. So I'm just going to simply type, hey, I need help right over here. And I'm just going to send them this, hey, I need help. And once I'm just going to send them this message automatically, my chatbot will get started and it is saying, of course, I'm here to help you. What do you need assistant with? So let's say I want to know what they offer. So I'm just going to enter what you offer right over here. And I'm just going to send them this message, which is what you offer. And once I'm just going to send them this message, it is going to reply me accordingly with all the details they offer. So over here, we just have to wait for a few seconds and automatically it is replying with all the details I offer. So let's say I want to know about the delivery timeline. So I'm simply going to type delivery timeline right over here. And now I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message automatically, it is going to share me the delivery details. So we just have to wait for a few seconds and it is saying standard shipping is 7 to 21 days and the express shipping is 4 to 10 days for selected suppliers. And let's say I want to know about the pricing. So I'm just going to ask them about the price. So I'm just going to type price question mark and over here it is going to share me the pricing details. So yes, I'm just going to wait for a few seconds and over here you can see that it has shared me all the plans they offer. So yes, you can see that in seconds and in real time this chatbot is solving all my user queries. But you must be wondering from where this chatbot has got my details, which is my company details. So what I've done is I've simply created a knowledge base which has all these details. You can see what we offer. Over here you can see the pricing plans which are exactly the same which chatbot shared, and also you can see the delivery timeline which is exactly the same which my chatbot shared. So yes, I have simply uploaded this knowledge base to my AI assistant, and further this chatbot is only going to reply using this knowledge base only. So yes, this is the powerful WhatsApp chatbot which is going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, I'm simply going to open a new tab and I'm just going to look for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by searching pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. So I'm simply going to search for pabbly.com/chatflow, and now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And over here we are just going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of stars free every month to explore the application. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate marketing, sales and customer support over WhatsApp. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And once I'm just going to click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here I'm just going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. But to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we first have to add a WhatsApp number inside our Pabbly Chatflow. So to add a WhatsApp number, we are simply going to go towards this blue button which says add WhatsApp number. And now over here it is giving me two methods to add the WhatsApp number: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So you can use either one of this method to add your WhatsApp number. A video tutorial tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I have already added my WhatsApp number, so I'm just going to move on forward and creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So for that, I'm just going to go towards this left side of the bar of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here in the left side of the bar, you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. But today this video is only going to focus on how to create a WhatsApp chatbot using AI Assistant. So we are directly going to focus on that, and for that I'm just going to go towards this AI Assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. And after coming over here, you're going to see the total AI assistants which I've created. You can see the active and the inactive too. I'm just going to create a new from scratch. So I'm just going to click on this Add AI Assistant button, and now I'm just going to name my AI Assistant as Drop Grow. And after naming it, I'm just going to click on this Add AI Assistant button. And now over here, my AI Assistant has been created something like this. And now it's asking me for the AI instructions. So over here, you're going to select the instruction type. If you want to give a custom prompt, you can select custom prompt, and you can give a custom prompt. I'm just going to select it as AI agent right over here. We have some prefixed prompts like customer support agent, sales agent, and all of these. You can choose one from this only, and if you want, you can definitely give the custom prompt also. I'm just going to select it as AI agent only and move on further. If you wish, you can definitely edit this prompt too. Now it is asking me for the temperature, so you must be wondering what is this temperature. So you can set how creative the AI is going to answer. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So let's say we are just going to reduce this temperature towards 0, then the AI is going to answer more focusedly. And if you're just going to increase it towards 1, then the AI is going to answer more creatively. I'm just going to keep it as 0.4, and now I'm just going to move on further. Over here it is asking me to select the API to use. So I'm simply going to select it as OpenAI. Now it is asking me for the model. So for that, I'm just going to simply select it as GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. And now it is asking me for the API token. So over here for the API token, you simply have to follow the help text, and it is saying kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So I'm simply going to go towards my OpenAI API key page to get the API key. And over here, you can simply go towards this create new secret key button. You can name your key, select the project, and click on this create secret key button to create your own key. I've already created mine, so I'm simply going to paste that key right over here. And after pasting this API key, I'm simply going to click on this button which says connect, and with this we have successfully saved our API key. And now I'm just going to move on further. Over here you can do some settings of your AI assistant. If you want to add a header message or footer message, you can simply switch it on right from here and add the same. If you want to stop the keyword, you can simply switch on this stop keywords button, and over here you can give some keywords with the help of which the AI assistant will stop automatically. And further, for the retry attempt, you can simply switch on this button and specify the number of retry attempts. So retry attempts means how many times the system will retry sending a user message to the AI assistant if it fails to respond. You can set the value between 1 to 10. I'm just going to switch it off only, and I'm just going to move on forward. Over here for the fallback message, I'm just going to enter the same. So you must be wondering what is this fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed to the user when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So over here I'm just going to add the support email address of my company in this fallback message, and this is the fallback message which I'm just going to send towards my user. And after setting up this fallback message, I'm just going to move on further towards the next, which is the knowledge source. Over here I'm simply going to upload my knowledge source, but you have to keep in mind that the file you're uploading should only be in TXT format. So how you're going to get this file? You simply have to write your knowledge base on a Google Doc, go towards this file, download, and from here you can download it in TXT format. I've already did all of this, so I'm simply going to upload my file right over here, which is this in TXT format. And once I'm just going to upload the file, you're just going to see that the vector ID of this file will appear right over here. And as you can see that we have successfully uploaded this file. And now I'm just going to move on forward towards the next step, which is assistant interface. And now it is asking me for the heading name. So let's say I'm just going to keep the heading name as Drop Grow, which is the name of my business. Now for the subheading, I'm just going to keep it as same only. Now for the initial message, if you wish, you can definitely add multiple initial messages, which is 2. You simply have to type the initial message and then press enter, and automatically your initial message will be added right over here. I'm just going to keep it as 1 only. It is saying display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to keep it as enable, this label will be displayed, and if you keep it as disable, this label will get disappeared. I'm just going to keep it as enable. Now it is asking me for the footer text, so I'm just going to keep it as same. If you wish, you can definitely change this, also add the footer link. And now it is asking me for the user first message. So over here I'm just going to keep it as I need help only. You can change it. This message will be sent to WhatsApp WhatsApp as an initial message from the user. Now with this, we have successfully completed this AI interface. Now I'm just going to move on further towards this styling. Over here, you can style your WhatsApp AI assistant. So yes, you can set the theme, you can see the shape, you can see the background color, text color, and much more from this. I'm just going to keep all of this as same only, and with this, we have successfully created our AI assistant. And now I'm just going to simply switch on this button right from here and save this AI assistant. And as you can see that we have successfully saved this AI assistant. And now what you can do is, if you want to add this AI assistant on your website, you can simply go towards this embedded. Over here, you're just going to get this script, and by using this script, you can simply add this AI assistant on your company's website. All right, so yes, you can see that with this, we have successfully created an AI assistant. Now I'm just going to test it. For that, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp. I'm just going to clear the previous conversation, and we are just going to start fresh. Let's say I'm just going to send them a message which is, hey, I need help. So I'm just going to type, hey, I need help, and I'm just going to send them this message. And after sending them this message, automatically my AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered, and it is saying, of course, I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with? And now I'm just going to ask them about their shipping partners. So I'm simply going to type this shipping partners and put a question mark. And I'm just going to send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, automatically it is going to reply me with the shipping partners it has. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds, and over here you can see that it has successfully gave me all these shipping partners. So yes, you can see these are exactly the same which we had right over here in our knowledge base. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot, and now I'll suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own dropshipping business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chartflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chartflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chartflow.